What background checks are legal to use in tenant screening? Have you ever wondered what background checks are actually legal when screening potential tenants? This is a key part of property management and real estate investing that can protect your investment. Let's break down the legal checks you can use to ensure you find the right tenants for your properties. First up, criminal background checks. These checks help you see if a potential tenant has any criminal history, including felony and misdemeanor convictions. The details can vary based on where you are located, so it's important to know your local laws. Next, we have credit history checks. This is where you can find out about a tenant's financial reliability. You will look at their credit score, payment history, and any recent credit inquiries. This information can help you determine if they can afford the rent. Another important check is employment verification. This process confirms a tenant's job status, job title, and how long they have been employed. In some cases, you may also be able to check their salary, but only if it is allowed by law. Rental history checks are also essential. These checks look into a tenant's past rental experiences. You will want to know their previous addresses, any landlord references, and if they have a history of evictions or disputes related to rentals. Income verification is another key step. This involves confirming that a tenant's income is sufficient to cover the rent. You will typically ask for documents like pay stubs or bank statements to verify this. Now let's talk about some legal considerations. The Fair Housing Act is a federal law that prohibits discrimination based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, or disability. It is vital to ensure that your screening process does not unfairly target any of these protected groups. Additionally, each state has its own landlord-tenant laws. These laws cover everything from property maintenance to eviction procedures. Familiarizing yourself with these laws helps balance the rights and responsibilities of both landlords and tenants. When conducting background checks, consistency is key. Apply the same criteria to all applicants to avoid any claims of discrimination. Transparency is also important. Make sure to inform applicants about the types of checks you will conduct and always obtain their consent. Finally, stay updated with local and federal regulations to ensure your screening process is compliant. By using these legal background checks and following relevant laws, you can effectively manage your properties and minimize risks associated with tenant selection.